Hello, this is me, Alira. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Product company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the question I have today. And the question, as Google Ads experts that disappoint. Okay, interesting. As a small business dental owner, I have spent and wasted thousands to experts who got me lots of clicks for things that I either don't do or don't make money on. Maybe it's my area, maybe it's because the majority of experts in my area are all ex Yellow Pages employees. I don't know. Once upon a time, I buy an ad in the paper and print directory and people could find me. Now that's all gone. I just run a simple dentist near me and best dentist campaigns with many geographical restrictions. It's that all I need to do. I don't need to get fancy and gimmicky, not trying to be the only dentist in my area, just making sure new patients can find me. Okay, you have good insights and good observations. So let me, share my opinion on your question as well. Okay, so your number one point is, that you people experts you believe that spent investing thousands who got me lots of clicks, so they are missing intent. Okay, intents actually is not being fulfilled. People can click your ad. People clicking your ad means they like your ad, but if they're coming on your landing page and don't pick the offer, it means it means your offer isn't good. Your offer or your landing page isn't good. Except that, okay, it could be that you do not have relevant, you do not have buying intent keyword. Okay, every relevant keyword doesn't mean it's a buying intent keyword, so we need to figure out like that. And because you said that you are running your campaign with dentist near me and best dentist campaigns with many geographical restrictions, but there are few things which you need to optimize. You need to create local search campaigns, Google map ads. Okay, they can help you. For that you need to like link your Google business profile with Google ads, run call ads, work on your lander. I mean, these are few things which you can do, and spend money on doing tracking. Tracking can help. So tracking. This, I mean, these are few things which you could do. Also, comparative analysis is something which I like to highlight on. Like in the scenario where you said that I don't need to get fancy and gimmicky. Not trying to be the only dentist in my area, just making sure new patients can find me. Okay, if you believe that there are more dentists in your area and they are not I mean they are successful and you are not successful, that means we are lacking somewhere. So if other dentists can do well, then why can't you? So observe this point and create a specific look on your competitor analysis, what they are doing, their ad copy, their offers, their landing page. Even that the ad optimization is thing which people don't do. Ad optimization, like adding ad assets like promo extension, call extension, review extension. If I have to show you, you may be surprised, because I know a tool which can show you pinpointedly. Let's say this is an ordinary simple ad, but once you do your ad optimization, you can see how the results can be changed. You can see over here that you can see how attractive your ad is. But in case if you add the price or promise section, you can see that what is your output now. Compare it with the normal ad without all these extensions and see what you are missing on. Even your ad optimization is missing. Even your tracking is missing. You don't know what's working well for you and how you can optimize. Look around on your peak days, peak area. I mean peak locations in your targeted locations, peak devices, peak hours. Spend more money on that. These are the few things which you can work around and can create an optimized Google Ads campaign for your dental services. But these are the few of the ideas which I'm just sharing, but there could be more. A detailed audit can tell me what's happening more on your account, and I can tell. Even like a search terms analysis, can help me in figuring out what kind of keywords through which people are coming in, and then we can optimize our campaigns accordingly. So again, these are the few other ideas. But in case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to creating an awesome Google Ads campaign for you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.